Take out the screws from accessory bag. Install the bracket. There are 2 spare fuses in the accessory bag. Pry open and remove the damaged fuse with screwdriver to replace it. Install the collecting wire of the pedal. Install the collecting wire of the electrode pad. Install the collecting wire of the probes. Install power cord. Place the probe and the operating heads on the bracket in turn. There are 4 operating heads with different size. Select according to the treatment area. S for eyes, M for face and neck, L for arms and breasts, XL for back, abdomen, legs, and buttock. There's 1 probe for all the 4 operating heads. Remove the operating head on the probe to change to the one you need. Turn on the power button, click to switch on the device. Select operating head after switching on. Click left or right arrows to change S, M, L, or XL operating head. Click S if the S operating head is installed on the probe. Then enter the parameter adjustment interface. Time range 0 to 60 minutes. 20 minutes is suggested for each part. Energy range 0 to 10. 3 to 7 is suggested. Click to start. Apply RF gel evenly on the treatment area before operation. Please note, while operation, make sure the customer carries no metal or jewelry. No treatment for those with metal implanted. Click L if the L operating head is installed on the probe. Then enter the same parameter adjustment interface. After the treatment, turn off the on-off button and then turn off the power button on the back of the device. Wet the clean towel with normal saline to wipe operating heads and the electrode pad. Place it back to the bracket for next use.